Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel. My name is Kathleen. You may know me on Instagram as Hair Goddess Kat. A lot of you have requested that I start doing YouTube videos on how to help you with taking care of your hair at home or different styling tricks and things like that. So I'm gonna be sharing some advice on how to take care of your hair and just doing different fun things. And also for my stylist followers, I'm gonna be doing some different things on how to grow your clientele or how to start in this industry or build your business on Instagram. So I hope that you guys enjoy. This seems like a fun idea. I've always wanted to do it, but honestly, usually I never have time. So hopefully during this quarantine, I can get the hang of it and try to find a way to put this into my normal life when I get back to that, whenever we're gonna get the hell out of this. But can I say hell on YouTube? I'm super excited for this and I hope that you guys like it, and I'm hoping to help you guys and to inspire you guys. So today I'm gonna be doing how to crimp your hair with this Bed Head Wave Artist. I bought mine at Target. I believe it was $25. I didn't really know which one I wanted to purchase. I didn't know, I haven't crimped my hair in years, but I just decided to buy it one day when I was there, and I actually really like it. So it's super simple to use, super quick, super easy. The first time may take you a little bit, but I love this hairstyle. It can last me 3 days without washing my hair. So if you are interested in how I wave my hair with this, then go ahead and continue to keep watching. And I put this vanilla after color into my hair. It's just an oil, it smells really good. And then I put my Kenra blow dry spray as a heat protector. And it also adds shine and it smells really good too. The only other product that I'm gonna use is in the end, after I crimp it, I'm gonna be using a hairspray. And I'm just using a Redken Control Addict hairspray. And I do pretty large sections for my hair because it's pretty thin stranded. If your hair's thicker, you may want to grab a little bit thinner sections. But basically, I'm grabbing this much hair. So you want to start from the top, leave it there for just a second, and then go kind of right where the wave ends. You'll be able to see it. I kind of push it up a little bit to see where the wave ends when I do that, see? And then just clamp it. And just go all the way to the bottom. See? And we're gonna go right onto the other side. Go down. Down. All the way to the end. Basically just doing the same thing. On the bottom layers, you don't really have to be super precise. That way it just goes quicker. If you really spend your time, it's just gonna take really long. But also, you don't wanna hold the crimper on your hair for too long because it is heat and it's damaged. Basically just do that same thing all throughout your hair. And here you have the finished result. Super cute, super easy. And then I'm just going to spray a little bit of hairspray, just a little bit, just for any flyaways and to help it hold just a little bit. No matter what though, this will definitely hold. I hope you guys like it. I love this look, super cute. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have a good day.